If you've been dealing with those annoying new tabs opening by themselves in Google Chrome, you're definitely not alone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix or stop unwanted tabs from popping up automatically. By the end of this video, you'll have Chrome running cleanly and calmly, just the way you want it, so you can browse without any interruptions or distractions. Let's dive right in, and we'll walk through these steps together. First up, let's tackle the number one culprit: bad extensions. It's really common for rogue Chrome extensions to mess around with your tabs, especially tools with names like Search Manager, New Tab Tools, or anything promising crazy deals or helpful PDF tools. To check your extensions, open a new tab and type Chrome extensions into your address bar. You'll see a list of every extension installed on your browser. Go ahead and toggle all of them off for now. Don't worry, turning them off won't delete anything permanently. It just pauses them. Now close Chrome completely and reopen it. If the random tabs stop popping up, you've confirmed it was an extension causing the issue. Here's the trick. Turn your extensions back on one by one. After enabling each one, take a moment to browse around and see if the problem returns. When you hit the troublemaker, you'll know which extension to remove for good. Take your time with this. It might take a few moments, but it's worth the peace of mind. Next, if extensions weren't the issue, let's reset Chrome's settings. This step is like hitting a refresh button for your browser without losing your bookmarks or passwords. Head to Chrome, Settings, Reset, and click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Then, confirm by clicking Reset. This will remove any unwanted tweaks or settings that might have sneaked in from dubious websites or software. Now, let's check for malware or adware, because sometimes something unwanted has slipped onto your system. Chrome actually has a built-in tool for this. Go to Chrome/Settings Cleanup and hit Find. Chrome will scan for harmful software and guide you through any steps you need to take. If you're on Windows, it's a great idea to also open Windows Security, navigate to Virus and Threat Protection, and run a quick scan just to double up on safety. After that, we need to adjust your Chrome startup settings. Sometimes, a sneaky setting can force certain sites or tabs to load every time you open your browser. Enter Chrome/Settings shown on startup. Make sure Open the New Tab page is selected. If you see any unfamiliar websites listed under Open a specific page or set of pages, remove them. You want only the sites you trust launching with Chrome. While we're cleaning up, let's check your search engine settings. Malicious programs sometimes change your default search engine to route you through their own sites. Go to Chrome/Settings Search. Ensure your preferred search engine is picked, usually Google, but choose what you like and click on Manage Search Engines and remove any odd or unknown sites from the list. Think of this as making sure you're taking the shortest, safest route to your search results. It's also important to make sure Chrome itself is up to date. Upgrades can patch vulnerabilities that let bad actors in. Go to Chrome/Settings Help, and Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, let it install and relaunch Chrome. Almost there. Now, let's tighten Chrome's defenses by disabling pop-ups and redirects. Go to Chrome/Settings Content pop-ups. Make sure Sites Can Send Pop-ups and Use Redirects is set to off. This blocks a bunch of unwanted tab launches from dodgy sites. Finally, let's clear out your cache and cookies. Sometimes, stubborn settings hide in there and force open new tabs. Press Ctrl+Shift+Delete. Choose All Time, check both cookies and cached images files, and click Clear Data. This wipes out the leftovers and gives you a fresh start. And that's it. With these steps, your Chrome should be free from those pesky unexpected tabs. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or get stuck anywhere, just drop a comment below. I'm here to help. For more straightforward step-by-step tech fixes, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.